Hi friends, welcome to Traziyaz. Today we are going to learn about what is trading psychology. இந்த வீடியோ நீங்கள் தமிழில் பார்க்கணும்னா நம்ம சேனலோட பிளேலிஸ்ட்டில் போய் பாருங்கள். Okay, let's move into the topic. Trading psychology is the very first concept that we should learn before entering into any type of trade. We only need to enter the trade when we are very much strong in the trading psychology. Trading psychology is nothing but a mental state of a people or the trader. So that will define whether the trader is a successful trader or a failure trader. The trading psychology is associated with a lot of aspects like emotions, behavior, characteristics. Like when we are fear about any trade or when you are greed of any trade, so that time that will be definitely a loss. So we need to be very much controlled in our emotion behavior when we are in the trade. Discipline and risk taking are the main two factors, because without discipline we cannot able to achieve anything in the trade. All the trades should be planned and will stick with your trading setup. So if that gets deviated, definitely the trading will be a loss. So discipline is the main factor. Then the risk taking is nothing but your setup. You know how much the margin you have and how much the stop loss you can pay and how many trades you can make with the capital you have. So risk taking is definitely control your emotions when it comes to the psychology. Decision making is a main process of taking a decision whether it's a buy or sell. So there are just only two options, but those two options will definitely bring you a good result. So when we are taking a trade, you need to be very much sure and confident about whether it is a buy or sell. So your decision will definitely benefit you unless or until it is not a logical one. Emotions spoiling trade. Here we have a list of emotions that could spoil our trade. Fear. Fear is nothing but when you are fear of any trade, like before entering a trade, if you see the chart and you don't know what trade you have to take, and you are very much fear of where I need to enter, here or there, or which point or which indicator I need to depend. So that time you are very much out of control in your emotion. So that fearful trade will never benefit you. So you should avoid the fearness from your trade. Then FOMO. FOMO is nothing but a fear of missing out. It is happening to everyone, like when you are waiting for a point to enter in a trade based on anything, based on a fundamental or based on technical or based on indicators, whatever it is. So, but before it reaches that point or that position, and your inner soul that keep on telling you take a trade, take a trade. So that time what you would do is you are entering a trade before the point arrives. So that time the trade will definitely go into the opposite direction and will definitely give you a loss. This will happen to the every trader who engaged with FOMO. So you need to be wait and be patient for the sure point you decided to arrive. So whenever it reaches the exact point, so that time it will be an additional point to you that your decision is completely correct. So you need to wait until your plan get executed. When you deviate your own plan, it is definitely FOMO. So it will definitely ends with a loss. So we should be avoid FOMO from our trade. Then doubt. We should not get doubt in any trade, since there are only two options, buy or sell. But when there is a decision about taking a buy or sell, there is a doubt in it, then definitely it is not a good trade, since there are only two options. You need to be very much proactive in analysis and taking a decision and have a proper control in your emotions, so you don't have a doubt. But when you have a doubt, you should avoid the trade and keep it in your mind that the doubtful trade will never bring you any benefit. Then overconfident. It happens to everyone. When we consecutively get two or three trades get profited, so that time the overconfident will definitely comes to occupy your head and brain, then it will tell you that whatever decision you take, it will be correct. 100, more than 100 percentage, it will be correct. So that is wrong, completely wrong. You need to avoid that overconfidence, since that overconfidence is comes out of no logic, and you did not perform well research. So that overconfidence will never give you any benefit, and it will get you into the loss. Then greed is nothing but when you get the profit for a long term, or at least for a short term. So that time what your mind will tell to you that you just need to double your margin or double your capital, or just multiply your lots, so you will get a more money. It is not a trading, it is a gambling. So what we need to do is we should avoid the greed. So how you will know you are in greed? When you double the lot, or when you increase your margin without any proper analysis, or without any proper data, or without studying your historical uh, records. So that time it is definitely named as greed, and that greed trade will definitely wash out our money. So be very much cautious with that. Then nervousness is nothing but it is the fear, or a kind of emotion that we have, like it is caused by the surround, or our inner state of mind. Maybe you have some family problem, or your situation, or your circumstance is not good, or your surrounding is more of vibration or sounds, or very quarrel. So that time definitely you get some nervous, that it is not good to enter into a trade. When you get nervousness, you get nervous of both external factors as well as internal factors. Internal factors are nothing but the trade, or the setup you have, or the sudden news that could come anytime, or the external factors like what I told just before. It is the surround sounds, or the external factors, whatever it could be. So we need to avoid that nervousness before entering into any trade. So as soon as you found these are occupying you, these attributes are occupying you, you need to be very much aware that emotions is not in control. So you need to take a proactive step, or you need to take a reactive step, whether that emotion should never impact your trade, so that you could get a very good benefit from the trade as well as very good learning. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you in the next video.